What does it take to become a successful person? Is it talent, luck, or just plain hard work? These are questions that have puzzled many for ages. The path to success is a complex one, filled with many twists and turns. It's like a puzzle, with each piece playing a crucial role in the grand scheme of things. Now picture this, imagine having 10 fundamental building blocks that could guide you to personal success. These aren't just any blocks. They're the cornerstone of every successful individual's journey. They include unwavering self-belief, a relentless work ethic, dedication to excellence, intense focus and concentration, fearless pursuit of goals, strategic self-isolation, continuous learning, resilience in the face of setbacks, personal accountability, and a balanced approach to self-care. These 10 building blocks are not just concepts. They are practical, actionable strategies that can guide us on our journey to becoming our best selves. Now let's dive into these 10 building blocks and see how they can help us become our best selves. The power of believing. First and foremost, we have unwavering self-belief. Imagine a seed. Alone in the dark, it doesn't just hope to grow, it knows it will become a tree. That is unwavering self-belief. It is the foundation upon which all success is built. It's the invisible force that propels you forward, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Take Thomas Edison, for instance. He made 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb, but did he falter? No. He believed in his ability to create, to innovate, and with that belief, he illuminated the world. Or consider J.K. Rowling, rejected by 12 publishers before someone finally saw the magic in Harry Potter. It was her unwavering belief in her story that kept her going. Remember, your belief in yourself is your superpower. It's the spark that ignites the fire of determination, resilience, and success. Without belief in oneself, success can seem like an impossible dream. Next, we have relentless work ethic. This is the engine that drives the vehicle of success. It's the persistence to keep going, the grit to dig your heels in when the going gets tough, and the determination to keep pushing forward no matter what. Having a relentless work ethic means not just working hard, but working smart. It's about being efficient, making the most of your time, and never wasting a moment that could be spent moving closer to your goals. It's about staying committed, staying focused, and never settling for anything less than your very best. A relentless work ethic isn't something that you're born with. It's a habit that you cultivate, a muscle that you build up over time. It's forged in the fires of adversity and tempered by the trials of life. And the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It's the result of consistent hard work. Moving on, we have dedication to excellence. It's the cornerstone of personal success, the driving force that propels us to constantly strive for the best. It's not about perfection, rather, it's about the unwavering commitment to enhance our skills, refine our craft, and polish our talents. Why is this so crucial, you ask? Well, settling for mediocrity is like setting a ceiling on your potential. It's like telling the universe, I'm okay with just being okay. But when we dedicate ourselves to excellence, we send a different message. We say, I'm capable of more and I won't stop until I achieve it. Excellence is never an accident. It's the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, and the vision to see obstacles as opportunities. It's about pushing boundaries, challenging the status quo, and daring to be different. Remember, excellence isn't an act, it's a habit. It's a commitment to never stop improving, never stop learning, and never stop growing. Fourth, we have intense focus and concentration. Now, this is a fundamental building block that truly separates the good from the great. It's about immersing ourselves completely in the task at hand, allowing our minds to engage fully and unreservedly with our objectives. Consider, for instance, a master craftsman working on a delicate piece. Every stroke, every detail matters and requires complete dedication and focus. It's this kind of intensity that we need to bring to our own goals. But how do we cultivate this laser-like focus? Well, it begins with decluttering our minds, creating an environment conducive to concentration. This could involve setting specific work hours, minimizing distractions, or even practicing mindfulness exercises. Another effective method is breaking down larger tasks into manageable chunks, making it easier to concentrate on each individual part. Remember, our minds are incredibly powerful tools. When we learn to wield them with precision through focus and concentration, there's no limit to what we can achieve. With focus and concentration, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Next up, we have fearless pursuit of goals. Picture your goals as the peak of a mountain. The journey may be treacherous, the path steep and slippery, but the view from the top, absolutely worth it. But you'll never reach the peak if you let fear anchor you at the base. Fear, my friends, is a crafty saboteur. It whispers of failure, of ridicule, of loss. But here's the secret. It's all smoke and mirrors, a grand illusion. Fear is not your enemy, but a signpost, marking the path towards growth and accomplishment. It's a challenge, daring you to step out of your comfort zone and chase your dreams with tenacity. So how do you overcome it? By embracing it, by recognizing it as a natural part of the journey to success. Remember, every goal worth pursuing will instill a sense of fear, but it's your determination, your fearless pursuit, that will ultimately lead you to success. Fear is just an illusion that stands in the way of success. Moving forward, we have strategic self-isolation. Picture this, a moment of solitude, an oasis of calm in a world that never sleeps. This isn't about shunning society, but rather prioritizing precious moments with oneself. It's in these moments of quiet introspection that we can truly focus on our goals, honing in on our personal and professional development. It's an opportunity to shut out the noise, to tune into our own thoughts, and to cultivate a sense of self-awareness that's often drowned out by the constant chatter of our busy lives. Think of it as a strategic retreat, a chance to recharge, to reassess, and to realign our efforts with our ambitions. Of course, it's essential to strike a balance. We are social creatures after all, and our connections with others enrich our lives immeasurably. But remember, every now and then it's okay to take a step back, to find comfort in your own company. Sometimes being alone can be the key to finding ourselves and our path to success. While alone, we have the power to lean and grow. Eighth, we have continuous learning. Imagine your mind as a garden. For it to flourish, you must water it daily with new knowledge and experiences. The world is a vast library, filled with countless books of wisdom and understanding. Lifelong learning is the key to unlocking these books. It keeps the mind agile, the spirit youthful, and the heart curious. Now you may wonder, how do I incorporate learning into my everyday routine? Well, it's simple. Start by dedicating at least 15 minutes a day to reading something new. Listen to a podcast while commuting, engage in thoughtful discussions, ask questions, seek answers, never stop questioning. Never stop learning. Remember, every new piece of knowledge, no matter how small, is a stepping stone towards your success. It broadens your perspectives, sparks creativity, and opens doors to new opportunities. So continue to feed your mind, expand your horizons, and cultivate your garden of knowledge. Learning is the gateway to growth and success. Next, we have resilience in the face of setbacks. Resilience is not just about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward, stronger and wiser. It's the ability to absorb the impact of a blow, roll with it, and bounce back. It's the power to keep going when the going gets tough. Imagine a rubber band. When you stretch it and then let go, it doesn't just return to its original shape. It snaps back with energy, with momentum. That's resilience. Now let's talk about some real-life examples. Consider Thomas Edison, who failed 1,000 times before finally inventing the light bulb. Or J.K. Rowling, who received 12 rejections before her Harry Potter manuscript was finally accepted. They didn't just survive their failures, they used them as stepping stones to success. Resilience is the catalyst that transforms failure into success. It's the ability to turn setbacks into comebacks. Resilience is the bridge between failure and success. Second to last, we have personal accountability. Nestled at the heart of our journey towards becoming a personal success monster, it's the virtue of owning our choices, actions, and their outcomes. It's about standing tall, looking life straight in the eye, and saying, yes, I did this, yes, I chose this, and yes, I will bear the consequences. Personal accountability is the seed from which self-improvement blossoms. It's accepting that we are the architects of our reality, the painters of our life's canvas, and it's through this acceptance that we gain the power to change, to grow, to succeed. It's easy to lay blame elsewhere, to shrug off responsibility, but remember, every time we do, we give away a piece of our power, a chunk of our potential. Embrace personal accountability. Let it guide you, let it empower you. For it is through this practice that we transform our lives, paving the way to success. Accountability turns pain into peace and failures into success. Finally, we have balanced self-care. This is the cornerstone that holds everything else together. It's the fuel that powers your unwavering belief, relentless work ethic, dedication to excellence, intense focus, and all the other building blocks we've discussed. Without taking care of your physical and mental well-being, all your efforts might crumble. It's like building a castle on a foundation of sand. So, how do you maintain this balance? It's not as complex as you might think. Firstly, listen to your body and mind. They'll tell you when you need rest or when you're pushing too hard. Next, incorporate a regular exercise routine. This does wonders for both your physical health and your mental clarity. Don't forget to eat healthily. Your body needs the right fuel to keep going. Lastly, make time for activities that you enjoy. It could be reading, painting, hiking, or anything that brings you joy and relaxation. Balanced self-care is the fuel that allows your light to shine brightly. So there you have it, the 10 fundamental building blocks to becoming a successful person. We've journeyed through the realms of unwavering self-belief, relentless work ethic, and a dedication to excellence. We've explored the power of intense focus and concentration and the fearless pursuit of goals. We've dived into the importance of strategic self-isolation, continuous learning, resilience in the face of setbacks, and personal accountability. Yet let's not forget the final building block: balanced self-care, prioritizing and maintaining your physical and mental well-being. These are the cornerstones of your personal success. They are the keys that unlock your potential and open the door to a future of achievement and fulfillment. Now it's your turn. Start today, start now. Incorporate these building blocks into your life, and remember, success is a journey, not a destination. So keep striving, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.